Let's jump into how you can easily set up your own online store or website using the Xpress Site app all from your phone. So let's get started. Go ahead and create an account with your email or just sign in if you already have one. You'll get a 6-digit OTP in your email. Just enter that code here to move forward. To get your website started, you'll need to answer a few questions. The first one asks if you're planning to sell products through this website. If you're making an online store, just hit "Yes, I want to sell products" and keep going. If you're not planning to create an online store, pick "No." But in our case, since we're building an e-commerce site, select "Yes, I want to sell products." Next up, you'll need to give your business a name. For this walkthrough, I'm setting up a jewelry website, so just type in your website's name here. This name will show up across your whole site. The last step is to pick your business category from the list. Since I'm doing jewelry, I'll pick jewelry. This helps set up sample products and text for your site. If your category isn't there, just select Other and confirm. For now, I'm going with jewelry. Now, just give it a minute or two. Your site is getting set up and will soon be ready for you to edit and customize. Please hang tight. Awesome! Your site is now live. To check it out, just tap on Visit Site down below. Here's what your website looks like at the start. You'll be able to edit and customize a bunch of things to match your style. This is the perfect time to explore your site. We've added some sample products for you to get started. All right, let's head back to the Xpress Site app. Next, we'll move on to more customization for your app and website. You'll be starting off with the 3-day trial. During your 3-day trial, tap Continue Trial. You'll have full access to check out everything the Xpress Site app offers. Up until now, we've just set up the basic website. We haven't made any additional changes yet. In the next videos, I'll show you how to upload a logo, add products, and manage orders. See you next time.